Indigo Airlines has issued a statement clarifying that it has no policy that discourages visually impaired passengers to fly. It has said in that statement that call center employees accused of discrimination in that particular incident in which a visually impaired passenger was denied an air ticket by Indigo has now been suspended. 22-year-old student was repeatedly denied a ticket on the ground that he was visually impaired. Ashish, who's been tracking the story, now joins us on the phone line. Ashish, Indigo taking cognizance of a Times Now report suspending call center executives involved in this case.
Well, that's right. Indigo, first of all, admitted that they have suspended one of the executives, call center executives, which was outsourced, who continuously denied a ticket to a visually challenged student, a 22-year-old student, Tony Kurian from Mumbai Tata Institute of Social Science. Indigo admitting that not only that, Indigo has also clarified that there are no policies in Indigo which discourages visually challenged people to travel. They went on to mention the list of the factors which attract Indigo, which attracts visually visually challenged and physically handicapped people to travel on Indigo. So Indigo going all out to clarify on this issue at this very moment. Now let me also tell you, DGCA sources have informed us that DGCA has taken note of this issue and have asked Indigo to submit a report on this. Let me tell you, Tony Kurian, who has been constantly trying to get a ticket from Indigo, was denied a ticket to denied ticket unless he is escorted or accompanies a dog. After this, which an internal inquiry was ordered by Indigo Airline, and now Indigo coming all out to clarify on this issue.
All right, so Indigo Airline there on the defensive after visually impaired passenger was denied a ticket. Thanks, Ashish, for that.